see what my local frog's doing. And I found these guys in the bottom. You see that? Check out and see if those are dragonflies. At first I thought they were curled up leaves. But they're not, they're pretty big. They gotta be 2-3 inches. There's one moving. That one's looking at me. I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One's walking away off to my left. But I'll have to look up and see what those are. There's one of those little stinger things on it. Water wasp. He's at the bottom. I suppose you probably can't really see him. So that's pretty cool. I hope I see another one. So there's quite a few in here. I see about 5 off to my left that I can barely see. There's that guy's cruising around. I'll look it up and add it to this video.